Dude, I was going ham. He seen a guy that before I even seen him, I turned around and killed him before Jay could kill him. And he was like 30 meters from Jay, and I was like 150.
Lock off.
There was a dude back here I killed behind this thing. There was a dude on top of that thing I killed. There was a dude on top of the radar dish I killed. There was a dude over there by that little hut I killed. They were everywhere. Everybody I seen I killed. It was awesome. I was on it. And then I just kept dying to fucking mines, man.
Lock off. Open.
Goodness, no. Yo, motherfucker. Alright, Godless, I'm coming for you.
Lock off.
Remind me of my buddy Louisa, one of the best lockpickers I ever met. He's a German guy. And he'd be all, one lock off, two to go. And then he'd be like, another lock down, and then another door open. He was the best, dude.
Yeah, Disc is just like, motherfucker, this isn't working. Okay, door open.
Yeah, I know.
And I'm like, what the fuck?
Cool, man. But you know,
Lock off.
it says a lot when kids show features in their in their art.
This is from a long time ago.
When it's not a stick figure, which is major, because only when it's, you know.
Alright, Godless, I'm here. Get out of the fence.
I am. I'm already right outside. The bathroom is locked.
He looks at something and draws it. He does it so good. Like
Get your black ass over here, nigga. Damn, this nigga rolled up like fucking Starsky and Hutch right now. Let's go.
You know it, baby. Let's go.
Warakaka, karaka. Swag, karaka. Remember that weird kid, babe, that I showed you?
Lock off. Door open.
Karaka. He's all swag god.
We're there if we need them.
Lock off.
Oh my god, that is so cool.
I'm still jumping
Lock
in,
off.
Too good.
Dude, that was sick. Back to back locks. What up? I got one more.
Pick those up, hurry, and you can get the third one in the clip. Go, go, go. Pick. You got like 30 seconds. You can do it. Giving.
Lock off.
I don't think there's any.
Oh shit. A scrap metal.